Mohan is here.
But being my own father, you can't. Don't forget your limits as a husband. Or else I have to fulfill the duty of being a son.
First you murdered our sister. You have burnt and killed your wife. You are a murderer.
The father is as innocent as the girl. Even she will not understand when this devotion will turn into love.
I don't want you to be affected by them as well. That is why we will marry only after I acquitted by the court.
The second condition?
The second condition is Gungun. My daughter hates me. My daughter despises me. I lost my mother during my childhood just like Gungun. But Kadambari mom never let me feel her absence. So the importance Kadambari mom has in my life, I want the same importance for you in Gungun's life. I don't know whether I will have a real father-daughter relationship with Gungun or not. But can you be her mother?
Mohan, I know that you are innocent. And I know that the court will also give you an acquittal. There is no doubt about it. And as far as Gungun is concerned, I will never let her feel that she is not my daughter. That's my promise to you.
I will talk to Gungun.
Mohan, I know that our relationship won't be complete unless I form a bond with Gungun. Isn't that right? So, Mr. Trivedi, it's okay if you don't become my husband right away. But the journey to be Gungun's mother starts for me right now. In fact, starts right away. So why not let me do this task? Okay.
Oh Lord Krishna, where did Radha hide herself? I'm clueless what to do with her. You have to tell me today. I won't move from here unless you appear before me and tell me what to do.
Appear before her? Only the demon cunts would appear before someone evil like her. Lord Krishna would never show up. Hey,
Come on,
Grandma,
come.
please.
Come along.
Grandma, what happened?
Just forget about Mohan. You are...
Hey, Lord Krishna, help
Hey,
me. Hey,
you
Lord
have to
Murari.
promise
Hey,
me.
Lord Narayana.
Hey,
Vasudeva.
where are you going?
Hey, Lord
Listen.
Krishna.
Silly girl. She's crazy about a man who doesn't even know her. Stop this madness, or you'll be in so much pain that no one will be able to help you.
What?
Yes, this is what he said.
No. I don't believe this. Did Mohan say this to you personally?
Yes, mother. These are his conditions before we get married. The first is that he wants courts to acquit him of all charges. And the second is that Gungun should give her approval for the wedding and accept me as her mother.
Gungun? How will we convince Gungun?
She won't agree. That little girl is a troublemaker. That girl is smarter than her father. I am telling you, from goddess Durga to goddess Kali, all manifestations are there in that little girl. That girl can make anyone in this family just dance on her tunes.
Sister, what are you saying? She is just a child.
Oh yeah.
I am absolutely sure about one thing. Gungun will not let anyone take her mother's place. Being her father, Mohan also knows this very well. But don't you worry, Damini. All of us will convince her.
I don't understand. If Mohan knows how stubborn his daughter is, then why did he put forth this condition? This father and daughter both are playing mind games. Mohan is not going to marry you. Yeah, just see.
It doesn't matter if Mohan wants to marry me or not. But I will marry him for sure.
But
Gungun will understand. She will have to understand. Years ago, that Tulsi already snatched my Mohan from me. I cannot let her daughter do the same to me again, Mom. As far as the court is concerned, I'm not worried about it. I can handle it myself. Mohan is mine, Mom. And to have him in my life, I can do anything.
But my dear, it's not easy to make the troublemaker Gungun understand.
Your daughter never likes to do tasks that is easy. I will talk to Gungun.
I have to talk to Mohan. What if Grandma makes me promise? For auto rickshaw, rupees 75, rupees 175. For bus fare and for other rickshaw, 75. No, 100. So total is 350 rupees. Mohan, you gave me this Gita to find peace. Now to help you find peace and for your happiness, I will give you this book of Gita. And you are also coming with me. I have packed your clothes and these are the dry fruits for you. And your favorite laddus.
Are you in pain? Are you feeling uneasy seeing me getting married again? But this pain is nothing compared to the pain that you gave me. You went away and took my daughter's love away from me too. Gungun have started hating me. And you must be happy seeing me in pain, right? I'm sure you enjoy watching me long for my daughter's love. But keep one thing in mind. Along with my blood, even my love runs in my daughter's veins. And that love will bring her back to me one day. It will bring her back.
I knew it. Gungun? Where are you? Gungun is smart, right? I am smarter. Come outside. These tricks are very old, Gungun. These won't work anymore. Come on. Come outside.
Isn't this a new trick? Stupid Dupid Damini. Dumbo Jumbo Damini. Stupid Dupid Damini. Dumbo Jumbo Damini. Stupid Dupid Damini. Dumbo Jumbo.
Gungun, why do you do this? Does it feel nice?
Have you looked at your face in the mirror? Do you like looking so ugly?
Your father and I are now engaged. So it's better if you get used to seeing my face. Because soon your father and I'll be married. And do you know what I'll be after that? I will be your dad's wife and your new mom.
Shut up! Listen, you can never be my mom. Never, you get that?
Gungun, these tantrums of yours might work before everyone else. But if you try to do this ever again, then...
I will always be by your side, Gungun. And one day you will surely get a mother who will love you a lot.
Mom, Mom,
What happened? Gungun did some mischief again?
no,
You always get caught in her mischief.
Mother, she's back.
Ooh.
Tulsi.
But how is this possible? The thread is still tied outside the door and...
Tulsi? That ghost is here. She's arrived.
How is this possible? possible? The thread is still there.
Maybe the thread is not working anymore.
This time around, she won't leave that easily. God knows what she's going to do with my son.
Grandma, don't be worried, please. I'm not that stupid. And you can't get a good sleep without scolding me. You can scold Dad in my absence if you wish. He's your son, he'll listen. Dad, take care of yourself. Lord Krishna, what can I do? I know I'm not doing right. But wasn't stealing butter wrong as well? Okay, you tell me. Whenever you are sad, then Radha makes you laugh, right? And when she is not around, so many gopis try to mollify you, right? But my Mohan doesn't have anyone with him. That's why I have to go. I will give him the Gita and come back after assuring he is fine. I'll just go and come back. Give me your blessings, Lord Krishna.
She kept causing problems in the family when she was alive. And now even after her death, she will not let my son get married. Tulsi will not let Mohan get married again.
Who is she to stop us?
Did you look at your hand? Tulsi can do anything. Anything. Engagement was done because it was at a temple. But how will the wedding? What if we hold the wedding at the temple?
Why? Is this my house or Tulsi's house? I mean, why should we be scared? In our own house, Mother, Tulsi has already tried to snatch Mohan from me once. Not this time. This time, Mohan is mine. Only mine. I won't be defeated by that Tulsi again and lose him to her in my own house. This time, I will defeat her. And the one to leave this house will be her. Not me. And how to fix this problem, you just leave that to me.
The one you succeeded in keeping out of your house for years has finally entered it. She's present everywhere. She is here to spoil your plans. There is a way that will destroy Tulsi's spirit. But you have to do that today itself, Tonight is a full moon night. If we don't do it today, then we'll have to wait for one more month. Then you and Mohan won't be able to get married for another month. It won't be possible.
I will do anything you say. This wedding has to take place.
Think about it. Can you do it?
What?
Blood. Mohan's blood. Will you be able to hurt Mohan? Will you be able to shed his blood?
If you had asked me to shed my blood for Mohan, I would have done it with a smile on my face. But Mohan, whom I have loved for the past 12 years, how can I hurt him? No.
Everything is fair in love. And don't forget that you are doing this for him only. You are doing this to save him from Tulsi.
I am coming to you, Mohan. With Lord Krishna's blessings, I am bringing the solution to all your sorrows and miseries.
Hey, and another puja? Oh, Mom, even God will be bored if you repeat all these things. And even he knows that I don't believe in him. He would be tired of hearing me chant his name and ring bells, tung, 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 right?
Mohan, don't joke. Please. I will be very happy if you do this puja before the wedding.
Mom, you don't need to request me. I will do as you say, Mom.
Thank you.
I will take your leave.
Damini, I really hope Mohan doesn't get hurt.
Just trust me, Mother. Nothing will happen to Mohan. Only Tulsi will experience pain.
This is not an ordinary ritual. This is a tantric ritual. Only Tulsi will be affected by the spell. She will become weak. And then we will burn her ashes in the fire.
So be it. So be it. So be it.
But we want Mohan's blood for this ritual. Can you get it?
I will do this to protect Mohan from that Tulsi. I will only take a little bit of Mohan's blood. But this time, I won't let that Tulsi come between Mohan and me.
Come on. Please stand up for the final prayer.
As soon as Mohan's blood will spill into the fire, Tulsi's spirit will be destroyed.
This is very inauspicious. What did you do, girl? You interrupted the ritual.
Should I leave, priest?
Mohan, do you think this is a joke?
Mom, the priest said that this girl interrupted the puja, right? Inauspicious. What should I do with this vibhuti? Should I put it in the fire or plate? We'll keep it outside.
Priest, what should we do now?
What can we do now? This girl has interrupted the ritual.
I didn't interrupt, but saved it from getting interrupted. If his blood had spilled, it would have been a bad omen. Actually, I saved you as well from sinning.
Girl, you be quiet.
Who let her inside the house?
I did, mother-in-law. I brought all the materials also. And after all, she is the daughter of our respected priest, right?
I'm sorry, priest. Your ritual for bringing peace in the house completely failed, right?
A ritual for peace? He didn't chat Gauri Ganesh, neither Sola Smritika, nor Navgrah Mandal. Then what kind of ritual is this? The mantras were not for peacekeeping puja.
And how do you know all this?
I am the daughter of priest Rameshwar from Barsana. Radha, I know I'm not that well educated, but I know all about our mantras.
So, this was not for bringing peace in the family. Then tell me, what was it, Damini?
The auspicious time has gone. And now the sun has begun to rise. Now this ritual cannot be done. Let's go.
Did you see what you did?
She knows that it was not a ritual to bring peace in the house.
She is the daughter of a priest. She is not a priestess.
But auntie,
Quiet! First of all, you tell me, what are you doing here? Came here without an invitation. Did your father not teach you any manners? Where is your father?
That means she did not inform anyone? Why? Is this your grandmother's house that you came uninvited? Yeah? This is Kadambari Devi's house, Kadambari Devi's. Even the head priest doesn't come without permission. I'm telling you, even if gods have to come here...
Why did you come here? Why did you come here? Why did you come here?
I came here to Mohan's...
Just tell me the truth. Who called you here?
I called her.
Her father and her grandmother as well. A marriage is taking place. There will be so many small rituals. That's why I called her.
Since you are already here, you can stay for the night. But as soon as dawn breaks, go back. Do you understand?
Go and rest now, my child.
Some people are shameless. Huh?
I promised to Lord Krishna that I won't go. until I find out why my Mohan is unhappy. And I won't leave unless I give him the Bhagavad Gita.
Oh, Mrs. Trivedi, you ruined my sleep. People get dark circles if they don't get a good night's sleep. And now I have to accommodate a guest in my room. What are you waiting for? Come with me.
That girl ended up ruining the entire ritual.
There was already one spirit in the house and now another witch. The fact is, I'm feeling very uneasy. A widow's intuition can never be wrong. That girl has come for destruction.
I don't know why she is here. Truth is, the ritual is interrupted. And it can't happen for another month.
What do you mean? You mean we will have to postpone the marriage, Kaddu? Eh? Kadambari, that... anyways, Mohan's, both the conditions are not fulfilled yet. Just see, the case is sub judice. And that Gungun, whenever you see her, she is always angry with Damini. Along with that Tulsi, she's hovering over us. Oh gosh, when will you free this widow of her miseries? Oh gosh.
I will go and talk to Guruma. I am certain that she will find a way.
This time I'll come along to meet Guruma.
Mother, you know that Guruma doesn't meet anyone other than me. Don't worry. I will handle everything. I promise. Mohan and I will get married on the date that we have finalized.
This is my room. That is the bed. That's the bathroom. You'll find water there. Well, I am the servant of this house, but I am the boss of all the servants. My name is Dilari, and I am everyone's favorite. And it's just for the night. You will leave in the morning. Those are Mrs. Trivedi's orders. Sleep on this bed. If you move anything from its place, I won't like it and you will see the worst of me. I'll take your leave now.
Grandma is right. Radha, you are so foolish. You were there with me, right? You should have given me a sign about my mistake. But no, you always vanish when I need you.
What are you doing?
Well, this is my Lord Krishna. I forgot to bring his bed, so he will sleep on the bed and
I have given only one bed to you. Don't even touch the other one.
Hey, don't worry. I can comfortably sleep on the floor.
This girl has interrupted the ritual.
So it means I was right. Mohan must be sad. Because there is no peace in the house. And before they send me away from here tomorrow, I have to do something. I have to give this Gita to Mohan. Please help me, Lord Krishna.
Where are you going?
I want water.
who needs what and at what time in this house. I know everything. And do you know what mother-in-law wants? That you stay really away from the issues of this house. Go now.
But I was saying...
No. Don't try to trick me, okay? I have the eyes of an eagle. Go inside.
Ignore the fear and keep going. 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 This is such a big house. I misplace things all the time. Lord Krishna, how will I find Mohan in this huge house?
Are you crazy?
No, not crazy. My name is Radha, sister.
Not sister, just Damini.
All right, Sister Damini.
Listen, you just stop beating around the bush and tell us the truth. Where are you going?
Well,
Yeah?
I was looking for Dulari's room. I got lost. But now I found it. Don't worry, huh? I found the way to her room, okay?
Listen, crazy. That is Mohan's room.
All right, sister. I will leave.
She's a witch. She walked backwards. Since then, she has put everything in disarray here. Come.
This is my Mohan, the one I remember. He is as handsome as Lord Krishna. I will be totally mesmerized if he smiles like this again. It felt as if someone was here.
Where is my charger? Did it fall by any chance? Here.
I am so foolish. Why did I hide here when I came to talk? I will surely get hurt when I get out of here. Ignore the fear and keep going. Ignore the fear and keep going. Ignore the fear and keep going.
Mom, I told you to be careful while bringing this. Nobody can know about this.
He's a killer. He killed my mom. He should go to jail.
Despite being a stepson, that Mohan got everything he desired.
This is a mother's curse. You will never enjoy the happiness of being a father.
The case is closed, so stop accusing. Now if you say anything against Mohan, then I'll call the cops.